I told you that 4,500 years ago, people in India were living in planned cities, had underground drainage, standardized bricks, and toilets inside homes, while much of the world was still struggling to build huts? This is not fantasy. This is not exaggeration. This is the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the earliest and most advanced civilizations in human history. Yet, most students remember it as Harappa Mohenjo-daro, seals, drainage, done. Big mistake. Today, we'll rebuild the Indus Valley Civilization scene by scene, exactly how examiners expect you to understand it. Until the 1920s, historians believed Indian civilization began around 1500 BCE with the Vedic age. Then something unexpected happened. In 1921, Dayaram Sahni discovered ancient ruins at Harappa. A year later, R.D. Banerjee excavated another massive city, Mohenjo-daro. India's history suddenly went back another 1,000 years. The Indus Valley Civilization was officially dated between 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. This period is called the Harappan phase.
This civilization was not limited to one river. Despite the name, it spread across present-day Pakistan, northwest India, parts of Afghanistan, major rivers, Indus, Ravi, Satluj, Ghaggar Hakra, very important for exams. Over 1,400 sites discovered, making it larger than Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilizations combined. Town planning genius. This is where Indus Valley shocks everyone. Cities followed a grid pattern. Streets cut each other at right angles. Two clear sections: citadel, administrative or religious; lower town, residential. Bricks were baked, standard ratio 1:2:4, and the most unbelievable part, drainage system, covered drains, house-to-street connection, inspection chambers. Even today, many Indian cities don't have this level of planning.
Daily life and houses. Houses were made of baked bricks, built around courtyards, had private wells, bathrooms connected to drains. This tells us something crucial. Privacy, hygiene, and civic sense mattered. No palaces, no massive temples. This suggests a non-king-centric society.
Economy and agriculture. Primary crops: wheat, barley, peas, sesame, cotton. First in the world. Evidence of granaries suggests planned storage, possibly state control. Trade was massive. Internal trade via bullock carts, external trade with Mesopotamia. The port city Lothal had a dockyard, proof of overseas trade. Technology and crafts. Harappans mastered bronze making, bead making, pottery, seal carving. Weights and measures were highly standardized, based on the binary system. This level of uniformity suggests strong central control, without visible kings.
Religion and beliefs. No temples found, but religion existed. Evidence includes mother goddess figurines, Pashupati seal, Proto-Shiva, sacred animals, tree worship. This indicates nature-centric and fertility-based beliefs. Very important for UPSC. No proof of Vedic rituals.
The Indus script. Over 400 symbols, written right to left, still undeciphered. Until we decode it, much of Harappan society remains silent. This is why we rely on archaeology, not texts.
Decline theories. The civilization declined around 1900 BC. Old invasion theory. Rejected. Accepted reasons. Climate change. River drying, Ghaggar Hakra. Floods. Economic decline. Important point. Gradual decline, not sudden destruction.
Legacy and exam connection. Indus Valley Civilization gave India urban planning, cotton cultivation, standardization, civic sense. It was urban, secular, scientific, and peaceful, and yes, far ahead of its time.
The Indus Valley Civilization didn't disappear. It evolved. Its ideas flowed into later Indian culture silently. If you study it deeply, you are not memorizing history, you are understanding how civilization actually works.